Day
I'm
32.
afraid. Try again. Oh.
Going for a walk. Oh yeah.
Hello. Hello.
I went back home. It was so cold. And I felt so bad. I mean, I realized I got high fever. You know, lots of Japanese people have high fever. So this season is so bad. So bad. So yeah, today I can't do anything. Yeah, just stay home. Oh yeah, and I got to say that I got cheat day recently, maybe 2 days ago. I ate snacks. I ate a lot, but I didn't take a video. I'm so sorry. So I'm just saying about that because I sometimes get feeling down. It's not about diet. It's my mental thing. Yeah, one day I'll talk about it. Anyways, I don't wanna give up. So yeah, do it. Oh yeah. Ah.
My dinner. Tofu, cabbage, seaweed, steak, small rice, wasabi. Oh yeah.
Day 32.
Wow. Maybe less water. Blanch. Mentaiko. Doy. I got this one. It's beef tongue.
My
Yeah.
dinner. Oh yeah. Day 33.
Yeah, I know. Lunch. Oh yeah.
Today I'm gonna go to hospital. Sorry, I was very lazy in the morning, so I'm gonna sit up when I got home. So yeah, I'm sure.
Dinner.
Oh yeah, I've been to $1 shop, which is Daiso. Do you know Daiso? What I bought like this, like this, like this, like this. Yeah, I wanna go camping, but I am poor man. I'm poor, so actually, yeah, actually, I wanna go camping shop to buy lots of things like tools and yeah, what I want, but I can't. So yeah, I bought just small thing. It's okay. I don't wanna stay for day. Just 5, 3, 4, 6 hours, wherever. Yeah, but I need more, so I'll buy yeah more tools. Oh yeah. I did sit-ups in the morning. Breakfast. Lunch. Oh yeah. Oh, I just want to talk about what I want to do. I want to go camping. You know, right? I know I am a poor man, but I really want to go camping. Why? Maybe you know Yurukyang, you know, right? Anime. It's coming, yeah, second season. So it makes me wanna go. That's why I bought tools. Yeah, yeah. It's like reaction anime, right? Yeah, I hated kind of the anime, but I've tried. But it's fun. Like that. Oh my god. So that's why I'm gonna go camping. I'm not sure it's soon or not. Yeah, but actually I wanna buy tools at camping shop. Yeah, but I don't have enough money. It's tough to live. That's why. But if I go camping, I'll definitely take movies, pictures for you guys. So just waiting. So my goal for next year, I'm gonna get lots of tools for camping. I mean, not buy at $1 shop. You know what I mean? But it doesn't matter if it's useful. Whatever, Daiso, $1 shop, which is Daiso, and the others, it doesn't matter. Cost is not important. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Who wanna go? Who wanna go? Who wanna go camping? Hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Sorry, I'm drinking. No worries, I'm not drunk. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.